guy now.
Okay. Let's go. You got this, Jonas. You got this. It's your day. It's your day. It's your day.
Hello, sir.
Hey.
Welcome to Happy Creole Restaurant, where we're happy all the time. Dining in for one today?
I'm dining in for two.
Oh, for two? It's one of those things.
That's
well,
right.
you can have any table you would like.
Thank you.
No problem, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Hello, sir. Happy welcome to Happy Creole Restaurant, where we are happy all the time, like 24/7, like the Walgreens. It costs this street over
Okay.
there. Anyway, that's the menu. My name is what's the name?
I'm
The special for today. That's a bouillon.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna need one more.
Oh well, you a big guys, but I don't think you need the two menus. That's the same thing.
No, man. My wait has not, listen, man. My girlfriend's coming.
Oh, okay, yeah. That's the sexy lady to that time. That's it.
I'm preparing something special. I'm gonna propose.
Oh my God.
So it's a special night. I'm proposing. She's
You
gonna
give me pop the question.
I'm popping all types of questions.
You're going to pop the question. Oh, pity. Okay, can I get you a drink? You know, we're drinking from 11 to
just
to 9.
two waters.
Water.
You don't want any prestige?
No, I'm not trying to get drunk tonight, sir. I just want some water, if you could.
That's a cause for the celebration.
I'm sorry.
That's a cause for the celebration.
No, water is fine.
Okay. Okay. Well,
We've been together for a year. If you can give me some time to practice this, please. We've been together 4 years. We've been together 4 years.
Water.
And, you know, you've been with me hemorrhoid stages. And when you choked that raccoon while it was scratching up my face, no, you were with me through my hemorrhoids. I know it was a tough.
okay. I'm coming.
Perfect.
Because I'm the best waiter in the world, right? What's there is the best waiter in the world? Say that with me. What's there is the best waiter in the world?
Rossman, listen, I needed 2 waters. I told you, and I also needed another minion. You're
Oh, man.
for my girl.
You're good. Well, I mean, 10 minutes when she give it up. Okay, no, that's not okay. Let's do water. Yeah, I bought Westies just in case for the wait, you know.
No, I'm sorry. This is extra money, and I'm not trying to drink tonight. Here you go. I'm okay.
That's Westies. I don't.
That's great. I don't. There you go. Can I have my other menu in the water, please? Thank you. I'm trying to practice here. And you do. Hold on. You the one. When I was taking out the trash.
Right there.
Oh man. Appreciate that, man. You
Know the menu.
Oh.
Right there.
Yo, Rossner, man. Now you really doing it.
I
You're doing
know
your
that.
job
I
now.
know. Who's the best?
Rossner, man.
What's the
That's
the
right,
best?
that's
I
right.
know the best way. I don't know, man. You that's you know the 10 minutes. I don't know what. You sure you good? She can be.
Yeah, I'll get my order later. Let me practice right now. So when you choked that raccoon like you did for me, girl, when it was scratching up my face, I looked at you and I said, I knew you the one.
Buddy, listen to me. She don't come.
Listen.
No. Hey, listen. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, man, you look like a woman's man. You know what I mean? Like, what do you think's the problem? Thanks, man.
Need to be a man, tough, you know.
Toughen up.
Big guys.
Yeah. It's me.
I know,
You know?
man. I know.
You know, I tried to punch it.
I know.
You know, she really changed the whole flat tire.
Right.
195. I mean, that's not. Roasting, like, listen, you know, look, I got home. Yeah.
Blue
blue checks, man.
Alright, what?
Blue checks on WhatsApp. She got it.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm going to take that because I don't think you did that. I'm going to bring it to my wife. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. You have to close your mouth. Jesus.